Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, can you believe it is November? I can't. But something very exciting happened today, and that is that my Curateur Winter 2021 box arrived, and I am so excited to get unboxing this with you all. So if you want to see what is in the 2021 Winter Curateur box, then just keep watching. It's like Christmas. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, hello, welcome. My name is Jessica. I am the blogger behind Miss More Style, and here on YouTube I make videos about affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. So if you're interested in watching videos about those topics, then definitely consider subscribing to my channel. I upload it 2 to 3 times a week, and I promise you will not be disappointed. The content produced here. A little loopy today because oh my god, it has been like a week. I have just first of all been so busy because I've just been like trying to front load all of my work because I'm leaving for a press trip to Nashville on Saturday. So I'm trying to get like cram in like a bunch of work so I don't have to worry about it while I'm gone. Plus like life is really getting back to normal around here. Like today I went to a PR showroom meeting and then I went to a fashion show. I mean, what? Is the pandemic over? I'm a little tired today. If that's why I might look a little, I don't know. I feel like I look like a vampire in the camera. So who knows, maybe I'm dead. Okay, let's get to what you guys came here for, the Curateur box. So this is, in case you don't know, the only subscription box that I cover on my channel because it is the only one that I really love. And the reason why I love it is because every time you get a Curateur box, it's once every quarter. They cost $99 a quarter. And I believe if you do it like annually, you get a little bit of a discount. You get 5 items in each box, and they usually are valued at like over $400, if not more. I've had some boxes that were like valued at like $800. So the value and the quality of the products that you get in here is so superior, I feel like, to other subscription boxes, of course, because it's curated by Rachel Zoe. So we know the queen, Rachel Zoe, is only going to like pick the best things. So I know there's like some subscription boxes out there where you just get a ton of stuff in them. I've had those in the past, but I feel like I end up not really loving a lot of the things that come in those boxes. So it ends up just sitting around and taking up space in my apartment, which if you could see my apartment, you would know I don't need any more stuff that I don't want. Let's just unbox this, shall we? Make sure that you go down in the description box if you want to check this out for yourself. If you've never tried Curateur before, I have a code down there so you can save some money on your first box. So go down there and check out the link so you can save a little bit of money. When you open it up, this is the lovely inside. It says curate your life and style. And it always comes with like a magazine, basically, that not only details the 5 products that you're going to get in your subscription box, but it also like ends up having really fun articles in here too. It really is like a mini magazine. And I don't know about you guys, but I really miss magazines. I miss them. I mean, I know that they still exist, but they don't still exist in the capacity that they did 10 years ago. Do you know what I'm saying? Or even 5 years ago. Like the Vogue this September, I went to like go buy it and it was so skinny. They used to be novels. I miss that. Anyway, this month it has Iris Apfel. She is just an icon and a legend. I love her. I hope to aspire to be this fabulous when I am her age. You don't have to have boring style if you're older, okay? She is the proof. Let's get into it. It's like Christmas. First item in here is so stunning. This is a metallic crocodile embossed clutch from the brand JJ Winters. They're actually an LA-based brand, which is really cool. And I feel like there have JJ Winter bags in the Curateur boxes before, but I mean, that is so beautiful. And honestly, this is the perfect piece for a winter box because this clutch is going to go with like literally every holiday outfit that I have planned. And I really did need like a good metallic gold clutch in my collection. I did not have one. So I'm so excited about this. I love that it's got this little magnetic closure. And I love also that it's really big inside. Like I don't like clutches where they're super tiny. So there's plenty of room in there for your phone, for your keys, wallet, lipstick, all that good stuff. And it just looks so chic and shiny. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I know I mentioned wearing this with holiday looks, but I feel like this would look equally as cool with just like a white t-shirt and jeans with like booties during the day. This would really like glitz up a really everyday outfit and just give it like that little bit of impact to really make the outfit stand out. This clutch is valued at $79, and I don't know, I haven't seen what else is in here, but I have a feeling this is going to be my favorite thing in the box just because I have been needing something like this very, very badly. Next up, Third Love. Aha! So this is a black satin, but it just looks very, very luxe. Just solid black bathrobe. I don't know about you guys, but bathrobes are always something that you can use. I personally already have like quite a few of them, and I literally just donated like a couple of my satin bathrobes. So I don't necessarily need this one. I may set this aside and maybe gift this to somebody in addition to one of their other Christmas gifts. So I think I'm going to put this in my gifting box. But it is a great bathrobe. It is valued at $70. So, I mean, it seems really well made. I also really love Third Love. I have several of their bras. I've done campaigns with them before. They always have like really quality products. And if you're not familiar with Third Love bras, you should be, because they are so good. I can't speak highly enough of them. This is not sponsored. They got done paying me for that campaign like 2 years ago. So I do love their stuff. And it's just a very nice, chic bathrobe. So something nice for the winter box, because you might be lounging around at home, relaxing. It's a nice thing to do and wear and feel a little bit chic. On to some beauty items. We have, well, it just says beauty. Is that the brand name? Oh, You Beauty. This is their Resurfacing compound. It is valued at $228. And it says, this multitasker will simplify your beauty routine by combining 6 products in one. It brightens, tightens, renews, and protects to give you that lit from within glow, thanks to a potent formula that also happens to be gentle on sensitive skin. So basically you would use this between cleansing and moisturizing. So it goes on between those two. So it seems like it's kind of a serum situation. Let's open it up and test it out on the hand. There's a lot of things in that box, but the packaging is really nice. It's very sleek and chic. Seems like it's 1.7 fluid ounces of product, so it seems like it's a lot. Oh yeah, so I don't think you're gonna be able to see that on camera, but it's very clear and it is very serum-like. So this is great because I actually just am starting to run out of the serum that I've been using. So I'm going to add this into my routine. I'm really excited to see if it does all the things that it claims to do. And if you're curious about that, then you might want to go follow me over on my Instagram. I'm always sharing things on my stories, like real-time reviews of things. After I've been using them for a while, I just pop on there and like talk about it. So if you're interested in that, you might want to go follow me on my Instagram. I will link that down below for you all. Another beauty item is in really like kind of like fancy packaging, and this is Curateur, I don't know how to pronounce that, Weiss Impossible mascara. I've never seen a mascara packaged this way before, but it is a really beautiful little packaging there. It's red, very shiny. The true test for me for mascara though is how the wand looks, because yeah, I'm gonna like that. I can tell usually if I'm gonna like a mascara based on the wand, and this is the kind of wand I normally like. I hate it when I get mascaras and they are like those really thin little wands that don't have very many like bristles on them, and I just don't like those because I know they're not going to give me what I want in a mascara, which is volumizing and thickening and lengthening. So yeah, let's see, what is the lowdown on this mascara? Curateur, I don't know how to say that name. I really wish I did, but I don't. But this is valued at $32, and it says this innovative mascara gives your makeup look a dash of drama, nourishing your lashes with natural ingredients while adding volume and length, all in one sexy refillable tube. Oh, interesting. This tube is refillable. That is very eco-conscious of them, which I do appreciate, and I'm glad for them. I'm glad that it says that it's volumizing and lengthening, because like I just said, that's what I want. Now what I'm curious about is if this is refillable. I feel like mascara is the one thing that you probably wouldn't want to refill, right? I mean, comment down below and let me know what you think, but like they always say that you should get rid of your mascara within like, I think it's like 3 months. You should only have a tube of mascara for that long. And then after that, you need to toss it because it starts to get like bacteria and stuff in there. So I'm really not sure why you would want to refill a mascara, but I would be open to hearing their explanation as to why they do that and if it is cleaner than what I'm imagining. But yeah, I'm excited to give this a try. Looks like the other choice items this month was jewelry, which I was really kind of hoping to get the jewelry as well, because they send me the Curateur box, and so sometimes they send me both choice items, and then sometimes they only send me one or the other, and I never really get to pick which one I want because this is gifted, so I can't really complain too much. But it looks like you could have either chosen to get the gold clutch, or you could have gotten a Jennifer Zuner probably mispronouncing her name too, I'm very sorry, Jennifer, gold chain necklace, which I was really hoping for the silver one because I already have a gold one very much like that. So I was like, ooh, could get a silver one. That would be cool. But it's not the end of the world. You also can shop more of their jewelry pieces in the Curator shop, which is a whole other aspect of being in the Curator subscription. They have like this really cool shop where you can buy, you know, other things that they curate for much less than its normal retail price, which is cool. But let's get on to the blanket that they put in here, which is a brand name, yet another brand name in this box that I'm probably going to mispronounce. Thula Tula. That's my guess. I'm probably wrong. I'm also the person that sings the wrong music lyrics for 10 years until they realize they're wrong. So that's where we're at, guys. But it is this beautiful little throw blanket. This blanket is valued at $129. And I'm very stoked for this because it seems like it's really nice. And I could really use a better, more chic throw blanket in my living room. So I'm wondering how big this is. Because if it's big, that's exciting. Because then I can throw out this other blanket that I have that I don't like. All right, so it's not massive, but it's not tiny either. It is really beautiful though. I don't know if it's translating on camera, maybe if I pull it back, but it's kind of got like, I want to say it's like zebra stripe going on. Would you say? But it's very subtle because like the two tones are very similar to each other. They're not like much differentiation between them. But yeah, the further back I pull it, the more you can see. But it's pretty nice and subtle, right? And I think that's going to give like a really beautiful texture to my living room space when I drape it over my couch. My couch is very neutral, so I feel like this will go with it really, really nicely. I feel like it could also be beautiful, like draped over like the end of your bed if you have like more neutral bedding. It feels very, very soft. Oh yes, this is very nice. So a little bit about this brand. They take their name from an African lullaby. This ethical and sustainable textile brand offers a unique loom to you approach that makes its sumptuous and reasonably sourced blanket so accessible. In addition to the fact that each piece is handcrafted in South Africa and made from soft, non-toxic, and hypoallergenic materials, the company also gives back to the community by providing children in need with clean drinking water. That is awesome. So it's an ethical company. The materials they use are lovely and non-toxic, which now it makes me wonder if I have toxic things in my other blankets. Great. That is the Winter 2021 Curator box. What did you guys think about this season's box? Did you like it? Are you getting one? Have you gotten yours yet? Which choice item did you pick? I would love to hear from you all. Comment down below and let me know. Also, like, let me know if there's like a subscription box that you think is actually really good that I'm sleeping on. I'm open to these things. So just let me know right down there. Again, if you want to check out the Curator box and you have not done it before, go down the description box. I have some links and promo codes down there to save you a little bit of money. And these also make really great gift ideas as well. If you're looking for a good gift idea for a lady in your life who likes fashion and beauty and luxurious things, this is kind of a good idea because it's like the gift that keeps on giving throughout the year. Maybe you gift them a year's worth subscription to the Curator box. I think that would be a pretty good idea if you ask me. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out in the algorithm so much. And I will see you all on my next video. Bye.